Hello, my dear student. I am Krishna Kumar. Today we start the new topic, the new lesson, synthetic fiber and types of plastics. In this topic, we read about rayon, nylon, polyester, acrylic, and lycra. Synthetic fiber, as we read such type of the synthetic fibers, and the plastics we read about the thermosetting plastic and thermoplastic. So let's start with the fiber. There are the two kinds of the fiber. One, the natural fiber, and the another one is synthetic fiber. The natural fiber we obtain from nature, but the synthetic fiber we obtain from the chemical substance which is derived by the chemicals. First we see the monomer and polymer. The two terms here. The substance by which they are made is known as the unit, and mer means here the unit. A substance having a single unit structure forming its particles called a monomer. If the substance is made up of only one unit by the single unit called the monomer, and in certain substance thousands of repeated units are joined together to form the large unit, a large chain. That chain is known as polymer. Poly means here many, mer means unit. So that the thousands of units when combined together to form a polymer is known as the polymer. The process by which the polymer is prepared by joining one monomer to another monomer, this process is known as polymerizations. Polymers may be natural or may be synthetic. The natural polymers like cotton, wool, and silk are derived from the nature. Cotton is polymer made up of the glucose, and wool and silk is such type of the natural polymer which is made up of protein, that is chain of amino acids. The polymers which may be the synthetics, the synthetic polymer is made from the chemical substance. They are as in the form of plastic in nature. Nylon and polyester, rayon are the synthetic fibers. These are derived from the chemicals, mostly coal, petroleum, oxygen, and water. Raw materials for synthetic. The synthetic polymers which we prepare, that is made up of the chemical substance such as rubber, silicone, petroleum products such as ethane, propane, benzene, toluene, styrene, ester, and the different kind of the chemical groups are combined together to form the synthetic polymers. The first we see the rayon. Rayon is prepared by chemical treatment of wood pulp. The wood pulp is natural polymer, but it is used for making the rayon. When the wood pulp is dissolved in sodium hydroxide, it forms the viscous like substance. Then these viscous like substance are passed through the spinneret. The spinneret is one kind of the machine, shower like machine, through which when it is forced out, then the viscous like substance is come out from the spinneret as like thread like structure, and when these are come out, they are passes out through the sulfuric acid, and when it is passes through the sulfuric acid, it come in contact with the air and form the hard and rigid thread like structures. That thread is the rayon. The rayon thread is very silky, shiny, and gives the appearance of the silk, so that the rayon is known as artificial silk. It is called artificial silk. It is used as the substitute for the artificial silk. Now come to the properties of rayon. There are several kind of the properties of the rayon. Rayon easily dyed and woven into clothes. The second property of the rayon is it is cheaper than silk, so that it can be formed in the factories in large scale. The rayon, which is the artificial silk, that is very lustrous in property. Their appearance is very lustrous, as gives the appearance of the silk. Good absorbent of the sweat. This one is very common and peculiar characteristics of the rayon. And the rayon is easily dyed. It can be changed into the different color and can be prepared the different kinds of clothes from the rayon. The uses of rayon. Rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, and the rayon is mixed with the wool to make the carpet, so that the rayon as artificial silk that can be used to make the different kind of the garments, mostly the bed sheets and the carpets. Now we see the another synthetic fiber, nylon. It is discovered in 1931. It was first made without using any natural raw materials. That is fully chemically derived synthetic fiber is the nylon, and it does not made from the materials which we derive from the plants or animals. So it is the fully artificial. It was prepared from coal, water, and air, and it was the first fully synthetic fiber. Nylon is first marketed into the New York and London in two cities, and that's why their name is derived from these two cities, New York and London, as nylon. Now we see here the some properties of the nylon. It is easy to wash, very strong. Nylon is so much strong than the steel wire, and their nature is the elastic nature, light in weight, and lustrous in property. And the most common features of the nylon is it cannot be decomposed by the action of microorganisms, so that the nylon is very tough and strong, as well as it can be used for the many purpose. The use of nylon. Nylon is used for making the parachute. It is also used for making the sleeping bags, car belts, car seat belts, toothbrush, tent, ropes, socks, and ropes for rock climbing is also prepared from the nylon. The curtain of the bathrooms are also made from the nylon, so that the nylon is used as in many purpose. Now come to the polyester. Polyjod ester is made of the repeating unit of the chemical called an ester group, so that the many ester groups are combined together to form the polyester. Esters are chemicals which give fruits like a smell, and the number of ester groups are combined together to form the polyester. Fabric made from polyester does not get wrinkled easily, and so that the polyesters are used for making the clothes by blending with the natural fiber. When the polyester is blend with the cotton is known as the polycot. When the polyester is blend with the wool is known as the polywool, and when the polyester is blend with the silk is known as polysilk. There are the some properties of the polyester is here. It does not get wrinkled, remains crisp and easy to wash, and dries quickly, and it can be easily blend with the natural fiber to make the different kind of the garments. Uses of polyester. Polyester are may be of the two type, terylene and PET. Terylene is popular kind of the polyester which can be drawn into very fine fibers, and the PET is a form of polyester which is used for making bottles, utensils, films, wires, and many other useful products. So dear students, thank you. for watching my video, and again I come with the new video with the new topics of this chapter. Thank you.